What up, YouTube? Got some packs that I won at auction on eBay from Breaks on Fire. 2 separate auctions. Total came to 23 bucks. So there's their other information. I have most of my card information, or the like entering the prices that I paid for and sorting and all that stuff done. So I was kind of saving this as a $23 reward. You see behind me, I still have some cards to, they're organized. I just need to get them around for submitting to PSA. Oh, I didn't show on the back. We can do that real quick. You can pull Boss, Limited Access, Fast Track, Quick Strike, Thunder Boomers, and the Rave Reviews would be the big pull. I believe Griffey's in that. These were $3.49, so $4, $8, and then these retail for probably the same roughly. So you're talking like 16 bucks. So I paid for these being 20 years old. I think paying roughly what retail is. And the way I've been kind of trying to view it is a blaster of select football. If you can actually get it from Target, it is 20 bucks. So same price, get more cards, stuff that's actually aged, and stuff I'm a little more into. I'm gonna see if I can do this. Typically just, some people are fans of that, some people aren't, whatever. Cards that I'm opening. I washed my hands beforehand. I've never opened the Thunder. A little stick edge. These are looking similar to kind of Skybox. Cards from '98 are basketball. I'm familiar with those. This is going to be bad. Oh, yeah. And then you can get the whiting. Todd Green. No one to write home about. Maglow. That card's ruined. Yeah, this Ricky Lee, all that whiting there, it's ruined. Reggie Sanders would be an okay card, but ruined. Chipper Jones, these are jacked. I think that's what a lot of people don't realize about some of these older cards, is just the odds of pulling anything grade worthy are probably Bonilla. Maybe these will be in a little better shape. Just go ahead and do this to all of them. So hopefully if we pull a nice insert, we don't have any issues. A little better, but not much. Les Davis. Ricky Henderson. Might give that to coworker. They're big Oakland fans because I'm living out here in California. David Wells. Totally jacked. These cards are jacked. So I'm glad I didn't spend any big money, or else I would have been pissed. But for 22 bucks. As a reward to myself, I can be okay with the card sticking. Andrew Jones. I follow him on Instagram. He's a good guy. Seems like it. I don't know him personal. Travis Fryman. No inserts yet. Oh. It's a boss card right there. But it's jacked. I think that was the lowest. It was like 1 in 6 packs. So. Oh, it's the Griffey, but it's no bueno. No bueno. I just watched a video by P. Ryan on how opening a wax is a complete gamble. And here is why. Because, or one of the reasons on older wax. That probably, but yeah. Wow. I mean, that one's in, the top card's in okay shape, but I imagine how it peels in the back, it ruins the back. Yeah. It's not good. Yeah, the Skybox cards of 96, 97, 98, I've just noticed that whatever printing technology this was prone to sticking when it aged. So, I mean, that would have been a nice Griffey for $11. I mean, but it's not nice. It's trashed or thrashed, however you want to view that. Drink a little Chardonnay. My friends brought over, had a barbecue this last weekend. There's the odds. The All Galactica team. 1 in 192. You can still pick those, the Griffey, up for cheaper than I think it should be. I haven't looked at prices in 2 to 3 months, but 2 to 3 months ago it was. I bid on a couple. They're pretty cool cards. I should have bid a little higher and took one home, but I didn't. And 64. Hopefully, yeah. I haven't ever seen too much sticking on these. Smoltz. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Sharp corners. That makes it worth it. For this $11. Jason Giambi, my bad. I'll give that to my coworker too. She really likes the Oakland A's and knows all the older players, and looks like there's some chipping there, but she keeps them on her desk and stuff. So when I rip football, I give the team stuff to the guys that I know that like certain teams. This is 97, right? 98. So I like 97 a little better, but and who knows if these people opened the boxes until they hit the inserts and then sold the extras, but not familiar with who that is. Tino. That's the other thing with these. There you go. The lighting just has to be a lot better to see the background on these. It's easier for the naked eye, but to pick it up on camera, it's a little harder. Oh, another A's. Oh, that's cool. Back in the day, I mean, even now, that was my favorite player. Awesome card. And I don't think this is the answer. It is just further down the checklist. So that's all I got. Feel free to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I should have more content. Hopefully some PSA orders coming back. I got 4 or 5 in grading right now. So hopefully in the next week or two. Later, everyone.